On a little trip out to Teignmouth, just from Dawlish. Just come over Torquay down road, and this is on the sort of descent side of it. It's a bit slushy today, quite a lot of leaves. A little fall last week on a load of leaves, so don't really trust them that much. As you can see, it's a nice sunny day. It's a bit of a wind. There's a storm Debbie on the way. I think it's the 4th category storm of the year. There's a little park here. I know it's a little bit muddy, a little bit of off-roading. Nice place to come and sit and have a read, chill out. Get away from it all. Not quite off-roading, but not far off. Whoa, whoa. Can I get the dog?
Come on.
Oh, after that little run around, fun with the dogs, we're heading into Teignmouth. That wind is certainly coming back. You can see the damage to the pier. Pretty bad. Pier's been there about 150 years. Wall damage there. A lot of these came off the tops of the walls, but I think they've taken them all off just for precaution. This is where they'll come out into the sea. The Sheldon Bridge over there. Just in Teignmouth. Storms brewing, Storm Debbie. The sea's getting a bit rougher. Just having a little ride round. It's about 3 miles from home. It's nice to come down here. that'll be the end of the ride. Showed you a little bit of Teignmouth. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you do, please like the video, subscribe and hit that bell button, and you'll see me on the next video.